Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Click the box border to select it, not just the text inside. If the shape resists selection, press ESC, then click again. This resets focus. Once selected, make sure you can see contextual tabs like Drawing Tools or Shape Format. These expose sizing, fill, and line options. Also enable View Grid Lines to judge alignment. This helps when you want exact spacing. By starting here, you'll avoid needless steps and get straight to the fix. Now adjust the core properties. Resize using either drag handles or exact values in shape. Format size boxes so your box matches the layout grid. Next, change text wrapping. Choose square or tight for inline-like flow, or behind text if the box should stay fixed under content. Once done, open Format Shape to tweak fill and line color. This resolves visibility issues. Make sure to check position and lock anchor to prevent movement when text changes. Finish by anchoring and securing the box. Right-click, choose More Layout options, then set position and lock the anchor. This prevents text edits from moving the box. If the layout includes several objects, select them and press Ctrl+G to group. Grouping preserves relative placement. If things still go wrong, reset text wrapping, convert the box to inline with text, or paste it as a picture to freeze layout. One tip: if your box jumps, lock the anchor first, then test with sample text edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.